The Rainforest Parrot Trail is the most unspoiled hiking adventure in St. Lucia, revealing the island's unmatched rugged beauty and stunning natural attractions. Located on the east coast of the island, on the private Font Estate in Miku, the trail meanders along thick wooded forest landscapes, leading to unexpected and majestic waterfalls. Our well-trained tour guides carefully lead you along the trail. For nature and hike lovers, this is a unique and unforgettable experience and a birdwatcher's paradise. Several fruit trees line the trails and when in season, make exotic snacks. While the hike is rated as moderate to strenuous, there are great opportunities to unwind and relax. Rainforest Parrot Trail, unspoiled adventure in St. Lucia.